Welcome back to PMart. Today we have the Spigen Ez Easy Fit Screen Protector. It's a 2-pack and it's for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. With a 9-inch surface hard with the oleophobic coating, buttery smooth for your finger, and it comes through the tray so it's easy installation. Put a link down below for the updated price, so here's your barcode or serial number, so let's open it. Inside the box we got the manual, instruction, 2 dust removal sticker, a microfiber cloth, and 2 cleaning wipes, installation pad, a push tool for the bubbles, and your 2 screen protectors. This is nice so you don't have to worry about your phone hitting the table so it won't scratch it. It's just a little pad at the bottom. You got our iPhone 16 Pro Max. Get your microfiber cloth, just go ahead and take the dust out in there just a little bit. Get your cleaning cloth, go ahead and wipe it, get the dirt and grime out. This is where you want to get really meticulous. Make sure there's no dust in there, because once you put that screen protector, the only way for you to get it out is to take it off again. So just make sure there's no dust. Put it on that pad. Nice. You don't have to worry about it scratching because it's that rubber or that soft cushion. Now when I'm taking this film off, I always angle it down this way just in case when you take this off, you got some dust flying. It will go in there, so you're better off doing it this angle. Make sure the top part goes on the top of your phone. Peel this off. Angle it down. I'm not going to use a dust removal sticker since there's no dust. Put the tray down. And you don't necessarily have to do this. I'm just being very meticulous, making sure that it's in there. And then press down. Press and slide. Now some people go from left to right. I just start from the middle. It's up to you. And then just kind of just do this. Then just wait about 30 seconds. Remove from here. Lift this up, take off this film. There you go. Just wipe it off just to double check there's no dust that's actually stuck inside between the screen protector and the actual phone screen. Looks like it looks good. Now going around, there's a little bit of a gap in there, which is okay. You want a little bit of space in there because I put cases on my phone. You don't want that touching the case or this is going to bubble up. So that feels really good. You got the oleophobic coating. It's very smooth on the hand and fingers. I like that. Then you got that 9-inch surface harness, so it's an extra protection. I mean, the iPhone screen is pretty strong, but you just want that extra little protection since this is a very expensive phone. Let's just go ahead and turn it on, see what it looks like. So it feels pretty good, very buttery. I actually like that, feels good. Also, I've noticed in the corners here, it kind of curves, so it kind of contours to the phone, so it's nice. So it doesn't affect the screen, it's good. You could even go switch it. Okay, it's just like the screen. And I didn't even have to use a tool because there was no bubbles in here. Easy installation. So that's your 2-pack Spigen Easy Fit Screen Protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max.